I'm gonna make an ironing board cover today. Hi, I'm Megan. Welcome to my sewing space, and today I'm gonna do another duvet upcycle, and I'm gonna make an ironing board cover. My old ironing board cover has several discolorations on it. You can see several spots where I accidentally fused interfacing to it. Originally, I was gonna use this fabric here. I still have a ton of fabric left over from my duvet cover. So we're going in with Duvet Cover Upcycle number 3. I made a pair of shorts and I already made a dress. Yeah, I still have so much of the fabric left, and it's a good color and I like the stripes. I think that it would look nice. So let me show you how I'm gonna make this cover. I start by laying out my fabric and putting my ironing board right on top. And I'm just using a marker to measure 3 inches all the way around my ironing board. And then I darken the line all the way around. And then cut out my new cover following that line. The cushioning on my ironing board cover is still in really good shape, so I'm not going to worry about adding batting to my new ironing board cover. If I was, all I would do is just cut a piece of batting in the exact same shape as the blue fabric that I cut out, baste it to the blue fabric, and then move on from there. But the padding on my ironing board is fine, so I don't see the need to use batting on this. I'm just gonna take the cover that I make today and just slap it right on top of the existing cover that I have on the ironing board now. And then I have all this bias binding that I made for a previous sewing project, and this is what I'm going to use to make my casing for my elastic. Right sides together, I'm opening my binding, and with raw edges together, pinning the binding to the main piece all the way around. Then on one side, I'm gonna fold my binding over a little bit, like so, and then place the other end of the binding on top. And that is so when I fold it over, we have a little bit of a finished edge here. So we're gonna use this line here as our guide. We are gonna sew down this line to sew the binding to the main piece. Then I'm pressing the binding to the wrong side of the cover and then pinning in place. And I'm gonna sew all the way around close to this edge. I'm gonna leave a space here to thread my elastic through. I'm using 1/4 inch elastic, and I'm just measuring one side of the ironing board plus the bottom. And that's how much elastic I'm going to cut for this project. And then using a safety pin, I'm gonna thread that elastic through my casing. And I'm just tying a really tight double knot. And clipping my ends. And then sewing the opening shut. Moment of truth. Let's see if it fits. That'll do. And here we go, final product. From the top. And what it looks like underneath. All right, that's it. Super pleased with how this turned out. Do I love it? Yeah. What's not to love? And will I use it all the time? Yeah, it's an ironing board cover. It's gonna get used every time I do a sewing project. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this one, please be sure to like and subscribe. Or if you want to see what else I upcycle this duvet cover into, please make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!